What we're gonna do is help these bees out in here. Rub it on there. A lot of people that grow squash don't even know that there's two separate flowers. This is a male flower, and this is a female flower. See the fruit? So I have some squash over here that's only giving female flowers, right in here with my corn. And I've got some squash out in the food forest that's only giving me male flowers. So rather than lose this fruit on here, I'm going to take this male squash and I'm going to do the work of the bees. I'll pollinate them by hand. Now, I'm not saying that this squash here isn't producing any male flowers. It is. There's a whole bunch of them. You can see them all right down here. All these little guys right here. They're just not, they're not blooming at the same time as these two female flowers. So, I'm going to take this male flower, which doesn't have a fruit here, and I'm going to peel these petals back and get down to this little pollen-covered anther right here. Looks like a little cucumber. I'm going to peel this stuff all back right in here, if you can see that. Now here's the female flower, and it's got the little squash fruit right here, and instead of a pollen covered anther that we've got here, it's got a stigma. And I'm sure you guys learned about all this stuff in biology class in high school, but a lot of flowers are more complete. They actually have both male and female parts. So what we're going to do is help these bees out in here. I'm going to pollinate this. Rub it on there. Huh. Okay, so that one should be good. Let's do the next one. Let's make sure this one here gets pollinated now too. Just starting to open up. Actually, it looks like it opened up already. Well, let's make sure. Alright, and that's pretty much about it. You just take the male flower and shove it in the female flower and rub it around in there and make sure all the pollen gets in there. So thanks for watching, guys. I know it's just a quick video, but it's pretty simple. Male flowers, they don't have any fruit on them. They've got a little polleny cucumber on the inside. Female flowers have fruit, and sometimes you'll have to do this by hand. And if you're saving for seed and you're growing different varieties, I also do this. And then once I do that, I tie the little flower off with a piece of grass or a string, so that way no other bees can get in there and pollinate it. It's only been pollinated by what I want to versus cross-pollinated with other varieties. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.